Hey everyone, it's Rachel. I have a new Target beauty box. So I saw this was on sale the first day it came out. Target sent me a little thing, and so I just got it in the mail. I got off from work today. I just kind of spruced up my makeup a little bit and thought I would go over this because this is a pretty cool beauty box. So these are, I think this one was $7. It is, you know, every month that they release these in limited edition. You can buy them either in person or online. The shipping is free. And so I usually buy it online even though we go to Target in person a lot just because I'm lazy. So it's in the typical white box today. I already kind of played with it a little bit as always. So it has orange packaging today, kind of summery theme. And the card that comes with it is the Hello Fresh Face. And it basically just says that a face makeup can be a girl's best friend, but sometimes we gotta give our skin a break from heavy foundations and concealers. So inside this box, they said you'll find a few things to fresh up your primping game pronto. And as always, they give a $3 off coupon. And then they go over this stuff in here. So I'll kind of go over these. When I opened this up, I don't know, I think I was thinking there was a few other things in here than I thought there was going to be, so I was very happy. So now I kind of opened up some stuff already, but that's kind of what it looked like. And just to kind of go over it. So the first big thing that I saw when I do it is, you can see I've already opened this. This is a Neutrogena Plumping Mascara in Black Brown 03. So this is what it looks like. And I already put it together because I wanted to see what the color looked like. I love brown mascaras. So this is the wand, and it's just a brown color. So this is supposed to have hyaluronic acid in it, which, you know, you put hyaluronic acid on the face to help like plump and firm it, and I use it in a lot of my different beauty routines, so it's kind of interesting that they now have it in a mascara. So I'm going to try this out tomorrow and see what I think. What it says here is it's hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and keratin enriched formula. It's supposed to plump the lashes. I guess that's what the whole idea between the hyaluronic acid, and a boost of hydration and shine. So it's supposed to be a moisture intense mascara, which is kind of an interesting concept because I feel like some mascaras get very like dry and break off. See, today I'm wearing my Tarte, I can't think of what the Tarte one is, the Amazonian Gifted, I think, and that one I tend to find doesn't get dry and cakey. So and yeah, it's supposed to replenish stiff and brittle lashes, so we'll see. I am super excited. I'll have to let you guys know on my next video that I do if I thought this was good. Apparently it's safe for contact lens wearers, and it is supposed to be safe around the eyes. So that's that. So it had the wand separate, and it had this little cap in there, and then so you can, you know, it was completely sealed off, but I am very excited. I love Neutrogena products, love them. Okay, so the next thing I saw, which I'm excited about because I just started playing with fake lashes, and I kind of, I'll be honest, suck with them. I had some ones that I got that I was trying on, and I just couldn't get them to fit right, and so I didn't want to go buy a bunch of expensive lashes till I kind of played around with some cheaper ones. But these are the Eylure lashes here, and they say uniquely curved, your perfect fit. They're a number 003. They're supposed to design to give a cute, subtle lift to lash, and a little goes a long way. That's exactly my kind of fake lash. I am not a big, like, look, put a fake lashes on me. I just want to like a little touch of something. And so on the back, I was reading somewhere, it said that these are perfect for beginners. And then they also have a video on how to put it on, so I'm probably going to watch that. But it comes with a little, no, I hadn't opened these up. It comes with like a little bit of glue, which I already have decent lash glue. And then like a little, you'll see here, a little bit of lash glue and a little tool here. So that is super cool. Great for someone who's starting out. I don't know if these are multi-use. I'm going to have to look these up and see like how many uses you can get out of these, or if this is like one and you're done. But yeah, they're, oh, here it says reusable, contact lens friendly, featherweight light feel. Yeah, so our accent collections are so quick and easy to apply, ideal for lash novices. That's me. So anyway, I'm excited about that. I'll get back with you guys on this as well, because I've got a pair of magnetic lashes I was going to try out, which are definitely not for novices, and then I have my other like nicer heart ones that I bought, and then I have these. And then I think our BoxyCharm is getting Paddington lashes, so I'm going to have a bunch of lashes to try out. The next thing, I thought for some reason we were getting white strips, and I might be confusing my boxes, but there's toothpaste. Colgate Optic White Platinum Express White Toothpaste. Now this may seem dumb, but I love getting things like toothpaste because it's always good to have extra toothpaste around. And this is a decent size. It's probably like half the size of a normal one. And I like Colgate, so hey, it says for best results, use as directed, 4 weeks to achieve a bright smile. So we'll see. I'm always up for a good toothpaste. You know, this box is $7. You throw in toothpaste, you got me. Okay, so the next thing is this, it's called the Sleek Makeup Major Matte Lip. I am not familiar with this brand, but then again, I don't buy a lot of my makeup at Target. And this is called Daydreamer 436. It's kind of a brownie pink. Not quite as brown as I was thinking, and it actually is not a bad color on me. I feel like it's like your ultimate nude color that you see on so many things. It is a nice creamy formula. However, I did try it on earlier, and it is super drying. Like my lips were like cakey, cracky looking, even with a super thin layer on. So I had to put like a little bit of like a lip gloss, not a lip gloss, like a little chapstick or something over it to not make it look so like cakey. But then again, I am not a big matte lipstick fan. But this isn't bad. I don't know what this retails at, but it says it is a matte lipstick with light as air texture. It says it won't cake, flake, or dry. I call bullshit, kadaki, sorry, I shouldn't be cussing here, on the non-drying out. So it is drying, so the key is to exfoliate before applying, dab Vaseline onto the lips, then use a extra toothbrush gently, blah, 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 blah. So they say exfoliate your lips. So I'll have to try that and see. But you can see it's already starting to dry down. It is very matte. Once it dries down, it does have a nice like velvety texture. But it does show everything. And I think that's just typical with any matte lipstick. Alright, so the next thing here is this Garnier SKINACTIVE Microcellular Water All-in-One, removes, makeups, cleanses, and refreshes. I actually used a little bit of this to get that matte lipstick off, and it really works really nicely. And my lips felt super soft and smooth afterwards. So you're supposed to be able to use this all over your face. I've heard nothing but great things about this, so I think it's fantastic that I got a little sample to try out. This is 1 fluid ounce, so this is also like could be a little travel size, which is awesome. So that is super duper cool. And let's see if they give any thing here. They don't really give any extra advice about it. It just says it's hydrated, refresh without ever over drying. So yay. And then I think this goes along with it, which I think is kind of interesting. These are the Target brand Up and Up premium cotton rounds. So they just gave us 2 little cotton rounds. And they're supposed to be dual-sided, double-stitch, soft to help you remove makeup. So I guess you're supposed to use these with it. They're cute. I'm assuming you use them once and you toss them. I'm not really sure. But yeah, little cute sample. Can't really get upset about that. And then the final thing that they give you is this Good Chemistry Queen Bee Perfume and Essential Oils. Now I put it on earlier to test it out and see, and it says that it's supposed to have blackcurrant, peony, and amber. I think it's more the peony than the amber. It's not overwhelmingly strong, If you're not a big perfume person, I'm not, then I don't think this is a bad perfume. It is a lighter scent. It doesn't seem to be super duper overwhelming. And it says that apparently a hint they give you is to rub an unscented lotion onto the pulse point before applying it, and then it'll last longer. I love that Target gives all these little hints, like do this and this will work better. So it's kind of fun. So that is the box. So you get the perfume, the eyelashes with the stuff to apply it, which is handy, the decently large sample of toothpaste, the microcellular water, the matte lipstick, and then the full-size Neutrogena mascara. $7. I am happy. I'm going to keep getting these things, you know, even if only 2 or 3 of the items had been okay. Oh, and I forgot these. So yeah, I will use pretty much everything. Perfume is the only thing I may not, but it's a little sample. But I'll use the toothpaste, I'll use the eyelashes, I'll use the mascara, I'll use the little rounds, and I will use the microcellular water, and I'll even use the lip gloss. So this was a very good box. I am going to keep getting these. I just absolutely think that this is so fun. So anyway, tell me what you think as always. Please subscribe. Every video I get a few new subscribers, and I am so appreciative of you guys following along. And definitely hit the little bell to let you know when my videos pop up, because they are very random, because I work a very random schedule. And as always, tell me what you think in the comments below. Make suggestions of what you think you'd like to see, and follow me on my social media. I have my Instagram tag down there, I have my Facebook tag down there, and I also have my blog. So Target Beauty, I'm super happy. Thanks guys.